What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix screen rotation not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and search here sensor test. First of all, install this sensor test app. After install the sensor test app, then install accelerometer test and then install this accelerometer test app. After install this, then manage it in your device. After that, go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Now here you can see the option reset phone. Now click on reset all settings. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. It will never destroy any other data like photos, videos, documents and other personal data. It will only reset your settings. After reset your all settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.